Well, today we have a intermittent start on our famous white Ford F-250. Seems like all my videos have to do with white Fords for some reason. Well, we have a crank, no crank condition, and what we have here, got these diodes right here, and we've got one that's rusted, and you can see inside there the terminal is all rusted away. There's the diode that came out of it. And it looks like a fuse, but it is a diode. But so what we got to do is we're going to clean that connection up and probably replace that terminal in there. So we'll give that a try. So here's the back side of it. You can see it's got a little green fuzzy going on, so that's the terminal we're going to replace.